Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to introduce a new app to you which is very useful for the math teacher. The name of the app is Pattern Shape Apps. So you go on the Google and type Pattern Shapes app. It will take you to a new window where it will give you the link, and this app is developed by Math Learning Center and it is free to use. So that's the best thing about it. And with this app, the students can use pattern shapes to explore geometry, fractions. They can create their own designs, and it enhances their geometrical thinking, and it also gives them an opportunity to explore geometrical relationships. Let me show you how this app works. When you click on this, it will take you to the Chrome store, and there you can download that. And now they gives you some shapes here on the left, and you can choose any shape and start your pattern, making a pattern like I'm making this one. So it gives you a shape, but then I don't like the same color. It gives you an option to change the color. So I can choose different colors, and it will start looking, let me change this color. And then again, I'll take a shape, and then I can change another color to it. So this is another option. You can take different shapes, and the children understand that which shape can fit him. So this gives a geometrical relationship idea. Children can investigate, explore different concepts in it. Okay, it also gives you an option to increase or decrease the size of the shape. It gives you the option like it can be smaller or you can create. Also, another thing is that if, for example, you have a shape here and you choose a size, and so it gives you an option to copy it. So you can, and like from here, and see, and you have another shape, and drag it and take it wherever you want. We can do symmetry with it, we can do congruence with it, and we can do so many other concepts with it. And it gives you an option. You can use a pencil and then talk about it and teach in the classroom. Nice, no? Interesting. There's another beautiful thing about this is that it gives you an option to draw lines. So now, for example, you want to show or teach intersecting lines and parallel lines. Otherwise, it's so difficult when during the online classes. So you can just draw the two line segments here and teach the concept of lines and maybe the transversals. And for primary classes, they can make some shapes using the lines. And another option is if you want, you can change the color of the line. You don't like it, there are options. Choose a color and draw another line. You can also save your shape outline here. So on this, if you click, you will be able to save your outline, and you can also see the previous saved outlines there that you have saved. So there are more options here to clear. But before that, I want to show you that you can choose a grid or a no grid option. Like from here, if I do, let me just close this pencil and then see there is no grid, or there is a square grid or a triangular grid. But then this is my favorite in this. There is something that I really love about this app, and I'm going to show you something that I've been wanting to explore, and this apps make it so simple. It gives us the option of a protector, and you can show different classification of angles through this protector. So the child will have a protector. You can always increase and decrease the size of the protector, and you can show the classification of angles, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and so on. And if it's getting bigger, you can make it smaller. Interesting, no? But at the same time, one thing more I like about this protector is, like in the textbooks, you have a 50-degree angle or 45-degree angle like this. So you can always turn the angle and show the children, look, this is also 45-degree angle in the opposite direction. So in different directions, so they will understand that 45-degree angle means only this kind of that what is the measurement of a 45-degree angle. So the child gets a clear idea here, so it can be used during the online classes. It can be used even otherwise. You can give it as a homework to the child to explore different angles. So I love this. Another activity that I can tell you is that you can drag an angle image there and ask a child to measure the angle. So if I drag it here and I want to measure it, so I will just adjust and bring it here and then measure the angle. So this way, you don't have to teach directly that all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. Just give them an activity. So with this is Namita Basnotra. I'm sure you're going to use this activity.